Today I'm going to show you how to make turmeric tea. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe. Turmeric is a natural remedy to combat a variety of illnesses and diseases. It has been revered as one of the best spices throughout the ages. Sprinkle a little turmeric on your food or use it for a soothing tea. Turmeric can be taken in a variety of ways. For cold, flu or simply to soothe your soul, make a cup of turmeric tea that will have you saying, "ah," right away. Ingredients: 2 cups water, 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric or 1 inch of fresh turmeric root, minced 1/2 teaspoon dried ginger, or 1 inch fresh ginger, optional, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon or 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, optional, 10 black peppercorns, optional, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, 2 herbal tea bags, optional, honey, to taste, small squeeze of lemon or orange juice to taste, milk or alternative milk to taste, optional, sugar or sugar alternative to taste, optional. Preparing the ingredients. Choose your turmeric. Ground turmeric is more widely available than the fresh variety. Nonetheless, fresh turmeric can often be found at farmers markets, larger grocery stores, health food stores and Asian markets. To mince fresh turmeric, peel it with a small spoon and then grate it on a microplane or on the smallest holes of a box grater. You can also mince it with a large kitchen knife. Choose your optional ingredients. Ginger is the most common flavor addition to turmeric tea. Cinnamon is another popular option. Like turmeric, both are hailed as anti-inflammatories. When choosing an herbal tea bag, look for lemongrass. Prepare the optional ingredients. Grinding the dried spices will result in more potent flavors. Prepare fresh ginger in the same manner as you would the turmeric. Peel it with a spoon. Then, grate in on a microplane or box grater. Cinnamon sticks can be added whole. Or, for a stronger flavor, you can grind them in mortar and pestle or a clean coffee grinder. Black pepper can be added whole or ground. Cayenne pepper can be added for some extra kick and a small metabolism boost. Brewing the tea. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan or kettle. Add the turmeric directly to the boiling water. Add any optional ingredients, except the milk, at this time. If using a herbal tea bag, do not add it yet. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 10 minutes. Simmering at a lower temperature than boiling. Review the process here. How to simmer. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Use an oven mitt or a folded kitchen towel to protect your hand. Add the herbal tea bag, if using, and let steep for 3 minutes. Serving the tea. Pour the tea through a sieve set inside a mug or a teapot. This will help remove the solids and gives a smooth tea. Use caution when straining the tea. Remember, the liquid is going to be hot. Add lemon or honey, or add both. You can do this to the entire batch or, if you're making multiple servings, let individual drinkers add their own. Add the milk or alternative milk. Milk helps to reduce the tea's bitterness. Then serve. Making turmeric tea bags. Gather your equipment. In addition to standard tea brewing equipment like a pot, a kettle and a mug, you'll need the following: 4 tea satchels. Also known as tea sachets, loose tea filters, or, simply, tea bags, these are readily available online. A small bowl, measuring spoons. Prepare your ingredients. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 2.5 tablespoons ground turmeric, 1.5 tablespoons ground cinnamon, 4 tablespoons loose lemongrass, 20 peppercorns, 1/2 of a tablespoon is equivalent to 1.5 teaspoons. Mix the ingredients. Place all of the ingredients in the small bowl and stir to combine. Fill the tea satchels. Use 1 tablespoon of the ingredient mixture per tea satchel. Brew the tea. Use the standard herbal tea brewing method. How to make herbal tea. Consider adding fresh ginger to the tea brew. You can also add orange slices and honey. These homemade tea bags makes a great gift, especially when combined with other tea-making paraphernalia. Hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, subscribe.